Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the image and duplicating the background layer so you can always revert. Once done, zoom to the word and use the lasso or rectangular marquee to make a loose selection that includes surrounding pixels. This gives context for blending. Make sure content-aware options are enabled in Fill or use the Spot Healing brush. This first pass sets up non-destructive edits and ensures the tools have enough neighboring data to generate a natural fill. Next, use Edit Fill and choose Content-Aware to let Photoshop synthesize background detail. Apply and inspect the result. If seams or repetition appear, switch to the Spot Healing brush for small fixes and use the clone stamp at about 50% opacity for careful texture matching. Sample frequently. For larger or patterned backgrounds, use the Patch tool in Content-Aware mode and drag a clean sample over the defect. These combined steps balance automated smoothing with manual control for realism. To finish, refine edges and match color and grain so the repaired area disappears. Use a low-radius Gaussian blur or add noise to match film grain, then clip levels, curves, or hue/saturation adjustment layers to the repaired layer to match contrast and color. Zoom out to check the overall composition and toggle the original layer to confirm a natural result. If things go wrong, revert to the duplicated layer and try a different sampling area or reduce clone stamp opacity for more subtle blending.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.